Alright, so here we are with the muffler attached to the bike. And you can't hardly see it because it's dark. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. And I haven't tightened down the clamp on it yet on the top. You can see here, has a little strap that goes around, and I can twist it a bit to straighten it out. And there's the mid pipe. I got that done today. The guy just, he wasn't able to bend it, so what he did was he cut it on an angle. And you can see there, he welded it together. And the welding is kind of crappy, needs to be sanded down or ground down or whatever. But, and then I need a clamp. The one I have that came with the bike, it isn't quite big enough to get around the end of that thing and to put the bolt in it. And so I'm going to have to source out a longer one. And then I need to find some way to attach it on this end. On this part. And the muffler itself came with a spring that you would attach to another fitting over here somewhere. And I would have to get that welded on. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. But anyways, here's the muffler. It looks pretty cool on there. It's a lot smaller than the old one. There's the old one. Giant, massive piece of lead, as everybody knows. And here's this new little shiny one here. It looks pretty cool. Anyways, I'll let you hear what it sounds like. There, how's that? Alright, let's try it out. Fire it up! And that's it.